Hi everyone, Ashley here and welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a mostly coloring video and I'm going to be sharing how the card comes together at the end as well. I'm starting with a little bit of coloring and then I'm going to explain a little bit about what this video is all about. So just to explain a little bit about the coloring first, I'm coloring all of these sweet treat images with some rainbow coloring. And I've written out the markers that I'm using on the page there, and I've just listed them up in the top left corner of the video screen as well as I used them for the first time. So definitely go ahead and go back in the video if you need a refresher, and I'm also going to be putting these specific colors down in the description box below if you need to double check, just in case you wanted to replicate this exact color combination. Essentially though, I'm just going to be using these same 6 rainbow colors over and over and over again on these images in sort of a striped fashion to create these sort of rainbow looking treats. These images, by the way, are from Fawn and they feature lots of different sweet treats, which you'll see how they come together at the end. I am sorry for my cat Luna, who likes to join in on these videos. You'll see her often. So a little bit more about what this video is all about. This is actually part of a hashtag hop that's organized by my crafty friend Biddy Penny. I'm going to link her YouTube channel down in the description box below as well. She organized this hop that is essentially a bunch of different crafty friends getting together to share creations every month along with a certain theme. And this month's theme is called Cosmic Coloring, which is exactly where I got the inspiration to make these images and this card. So I thought, what could be more cosmic coloring than doing some rainbow sweet treats coloring? So for me, this was a really fun sort of experiment in rainbow stripy coloring and using Copic markers, which I do a lot in my videos. If you haven't checked them out, you can check them out on my channel. If you go to my homepage, you'll see lots of different videos showing coloring. Really, any of my card making videos, lots of them show coloring in them. And I love to use Copic markers. They're my favorite coloring medium. So just a little bit more about the hop. It's basically a hashtag hop. I'm going to list the exact hashtag down in the description box below, so there's lots of info down there for you. This month, it's Old Plus New Feb 2022, which basically means that the point is to use old plus new products or ideas or techniques or anything like that. So for me, the new thing was this kind of rainbow stripy coloring technique, and the old thing was just using Copic markers in general, which is my tried and true coloring technique. And then of course every month has its own theme, so like I said, this month is Cosmic Coloring, so really just trying to include something along the lines of cosmic coloring. The cool thing is that you can use that hashtag, search it on social media or YouTube, and find other creators that are hopping along with that same theme and hashtag, so I encourage you to check it out. Okay, so for the rest of the coloring, I am going to stop talking and just play some music so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the coloring. When I'm using different colors than those original 6 markers, I will list them in the top left corner of the screen, and I put tips in the bottom right corner every so often just to give you a little bit of extra information about the coloring. I will join back in the video in a few moments once we come together at the end to finish off the card, so I will see you soon. Okay, so the coloring is complete, and now I'm just going to show you how these images came together to form this adorable card. I'm not going to show you how I made the card because this video was meant to be focused on the coloring, but I did want to show you the final product. So for this card, I started with a slimline panel that was scalloped, and I used a sort of dotted pattern paper that you can see in the very back. I then used a smaller slimline rectangle die to cut out that pink pattern paper piece, and then an even smaller slimline die to cut out the pearlescent vellum, and those make up the main layers of the card. So I glued those all together, and then I just added my cute little treat images on their little plates with a scattering of strawberries around them, and I popped those up on some foam. For the sentiment, I just stamped out the word "your" on a small little white banner, and then I die cut the word "sweet" out of some silver holographic paper, as well as some white paper, and then I glued them on top of each other to create a little offset of white behind the holographic. I topped this all onto a slimline card base, and that is it. That is the card. I really love how this one turned out, and I love how sort of shiny that pearlescent vellum is. So thank you so much for watching. I definitely encourage you to check out the hop, or check out my Instagram page if you want to see more of my cards. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!